tense. A non-finite verb, on the other hand, is a verb which neither has a subject nor indicates time. Types of non-finite verbs include gerund, full infinitive, bare infinitive, and participial. A gerund is a form of verb which performs the function of a noun. It is also called a verbal noun. A gerund usually takes the ing form of a verb, that is, the present participle form of a verb. Examples of gerund are found in the following sentences. Seeing is believing. Seeing and believing are both gerunds. Dancing is my hobby. The word dancing is a gerund, and it functions as the subject of that sentence, which is one of the functions of a noun. Full infinitive. Full infinitive, which is also known as to infinitive, is a non-finite verb which usually goes with the word to, like to go, to cook, to dance, to sweep. They can be found in the following sentences. To cook was his hardest assignment. To laugh is medicinal, bare infinitive. This is an infinitive verb which does not have the word to. Examples of bare infinitive are found in the following sentences. I want to see you dance to this music. Now, the word dance is a bare infinitive. We heard him shout your name. The word shout is a bare infinitive. Participial verb. Participial verbs are of two kinds. The first one is the present participle, which is formed by adding ing. And participial is a form of a verb which performs other roles apart from the role of a verb. Such roles include adjective, it includes adverb. Participials are found in the following sentences. I saw the singing bird. The word singing is a present participle form of a verb, but in that sentence, it actually functions as an adjective because it qualifies the word bird. Another type of participial verb is that which is formed using the past participle. In other words, it usually goes with the ed ending. Examples of that form of participial verb are found in the following. I don't eat any goat killed by lightning. Now, the word killed is a past participle form of kill, but it functions as an adjective in that it tells us more about the goat we are talking about. I saw the boy sent away from school. Now, the word sent is a past participle form of the word send, but in this sentence, it tells us more about the boy